Greetings, this is Shanique. Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to make fried cake, fried jack, or some call it bakes. In Jamaica we don't make it, but it's found in a lot of Caribbean islands. We're going to use all-purpose flour, baking powder, sugar, cinnamon. This is my added touch, you don't have to use that, and some pink salt. We're going to sift that. And then we're going to use some vegan butter, margarine. I'm using Earth Balance soy free. And then we're going to just rub that in. Alright. So then after that, I'm going to use a solution of milk and water. And it has to be warm. And then I'm going to just knead the flour. You're going to slowly put the water in and incorporate it. The dough is going to be a little sticky, and that's what we're aiming for. Alright, so we're just going to mix it and knead it around, make sure so everything is good. And see, the dough is, is a little sticky, so we're just going to go and just mix and mix and mix. And then we have to let the dough rest. So what I did was I wet a piece of paper towel and I'm going to put it over it. But first I'm going to add some margarine. We just put it around it so it won't stick to the container. Alright, so we damp the paper towel, we cover it up to retain the moisture, and then I'm going to use a cloth, cover it up. I'm going to put it in the oven for an hour or two. You can do that, let the dough rest while you prepare the rest of your food. So this is how the dough is, nice and sticky. And now we're going to break it apart. We're going to make about 4 round balls, and then we're going to roll that out. Okay, so we're going to clasp it in our hands, and then we're going to make like a little peak there, and we're going to make a round ball. We're going to put it on a dusted surface. I just put some flour on my cutting board, and then we're going to just roll the dough. So we're going to roll it into circles, and we're going to make it flat. The flatter you make, the flatter the dough balls are, the less fluffy it will be. So you can make it thin or thick depending on how you like it. So these are all cut up into different shapes, and now we're going to fry it. You have to make sure that the oil is hot. This is what happens when the oil is not hot. You see, nothing happens. It doesn't bubble up or anything. And this is nice and hot now. As soon as you put it in there, you're going to use a spoon, and you're going to scoop over the oil on top of the dough. And then shortly after that, you're going to notice that it's just inflating, and it's just like boom, a circle. Just like that. It's like an air pocket is formed. And it's just lovely to watch. I like to watch it. So then you're going to, this takes a couple of seconds, right? And look, it's done. You're going to take that out, and then you're going to put it on some paper towel to absorb some of the oil. And then you're going to continue that with the rest of them. So you just scoop the oil on top of the dough, and then you'll see the air pockets begin to form. And this is just magical, right? Alright, so I'm gonna continue doing that with the rest of them. And this is the final product. Nice, fluffy, soft, sweet fried jack. And you could serve this with anything. You could use beans, any type of beans you want, lentils, some chickpea curry. But today I'm having it with some red kidney beans with some carrots in a stew. So you see, you could easily open it up, and it has like this big pocket. You could add anything in there. You can put your veggies, anything. So today I'm gonna add a little bit of this ital stew, some red kidney beans, cooked down in some coconut milk, and you can just eat it like that. You can just put it inside and just have it like that, or eat it plain to the side. But I like to add the food, like beans inside of it. Nice flavor. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I have a new video out. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.